Hey folks, MACT's Garage, and I have a 2005 Toyota Highlander that I bought July of last year, so I've had it for almost a year. And one thing I have not done is open the glove box to check the air filter. My question is, did the previous owners ever check the air filter in the cabin for clean air? Or is this a 2005-year-old, 15-year-old cabin air filter? So I guess we're going to find out exactly what kind of maintenance they concentrated on and what they didn't, because I don't have much hope for this filter, but maybe they did. Maybe they knew about it, maybe they changed it. Or again, am I going to look at something that is out of horror movies? Let's go ahead and find out. Open it up and see what it looks like. So this is it, 2005 Toyota Highlander. We're going to go ahead and open it up. It's limited, so I'll go ahead and unlock it here. No remote, so we'll unlock the doors. There we go. Hopefully that does it. Yeah, we'll get in there. We got to get into the glove box. Check her out. Let's see what we got. There we go. And I'm sure there's something else I got to do here to pull this thing out. But I think we can reach it. There you go. You just pop it in there. Slide it all out. And this is what we got. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. So they did do some maintenance on it. That's a bonus. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and put a new filter in it and then reinstall it, and we can breathe easier. Although this is pretty decent shape. I've got this CP138, or otherwise known as CF10138, replacement for Toyota, Lexus genuine parts, and it has the part numbers there. It is an EPAUTO interior cabin air filter, and it is basically a carbon impermeated filter. Even comes with some minor instructions in case you don't know how to do it, along with written instructions. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and replace the Toyota 2005 Highlander filter with this one. And as you saw, it wasn't that dirty, but what the heck, might as well change it out, and then that way I know I'm good for about another 6 months to a year. Well, since I don't have anything to hold anything with, I guess we'll just do this one-handed, like most YouTubers do. One-handed videos, and hopefully that we can get all this done. Plastic don't taste good either. But we'll go ahead and get this filter out of here. There we go. We got the filter. So we just got to take this old one out. Probably should do this outside. This thing's full of garbage. Toss that out of there, and we'll go ahead and put this one in. Should slide right in for most accounts. There we go. got it ready to go. And basically this is a toolless thing as far as I'm concerned. You get down in there, then you slide this filter back in there just like you took it out. Put it in the right way. You don't really need to remove the tool because you can slide it right in there. You can get your hand in there to take it off, and then it's marked up so you know which way to actually put it. Then you just take and snap it all back in. There we go. It's all back in. So you just push the sides back in. You don't need to remove this thing in order to do it. You don't need to remove it. That's all you got to do. So let's go ahead and start her up and see what we got. I can see it needs to be cleaned a little bit because the girls are dirty. Don't know what they've been spilling in here. Anyway. It is what it is. Let's start it up and see how it runs. Move the seat back for short people. Very short people. Whew, it's hot in here. See if we get this AC working. There we go. Wow. Blowing hard. Gotta love it when you got working AC. So, anyway, that's what you got when you take and replace the air filter. Not a hard job. And you don't need tools, folks. That's the best thing about it. So just keep that in mind. You don't need tools. If you're, fat meat hooks like I got, can still fit in there, then you're golden. So if you decide you want to undo that dampener for the door, go for it. Don't need to do it as I just showed you. Totally doable without any tools at all. But anyway. This is MACT, MACT's Garage. Remember, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage, and also on Facebook where we cover all sorts of vehicles besides the Toyota. We also have lots of projects and everything else, from home improvement all the way to four-wheelers and trucks and cars and tanks and everything else that you can imagine. So go ahead and join up there. And remember, hey, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got some great music, along with Mercy Girls one-liners.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos. Remember to like and